You're certainly off to a hot start here on SmackDown with your U.S. title win over Bobby Roode. Is there anyone you'd like to defend your championship against first? I did? Well, that makes my job easier.
There's something special about being the United States champion. Sure, there's a long list of legends who have held this title, and that's great. But it's also how this title has been defended that makes it so special. It's a tradition that started with John Cena, and I've decided that I'm going to continue that tradition. And I'm not going to let this title sit on a shelf and collect dust. Oh no, I'm going to defend it every chance I get. That's why starting tonight, I'm bringing back the U.S. Title Open Challenge. So whoever's ready to step up and face me, come on out right now.
Who's going to be the first superstar to answer Buzz's U.S. Title Open Challenge?
Baron Corbin has been itching for a shot of the new guy, and now he gets it.
Yeah, this could turn out to be a very short United States title reign for Buzz. Are you surprised Buzz initiated the U.S. Title Open Challenge so early in his WWE tenure?
I'm not surprised, Michael. From what we've seen so far, this guy's not afraid of challenging himself.
Yeah, I'm not surprised either, because he has a track record of reckless behavior. If you ask me, he's just setting himself up for failure.
Champ not looking good right now.
He's a true champion. I suspect he has plenty of fight left in him.
Yeah, but he's got a very untraditional approach tonight, which includes spending a great deal of time outside the ring. That might help him in the long run. We'll see.
Yeah, but if you count him out now, guys, you'd be making a very big mistake. Mark my words.
He's got to hurry if he doesn't want to get counted out here.
Time's certainly not on his side, Michael.
Oh my God!
Pile driver!
Spiked him.
You gotta believe this. What does Buzz have in store?
We're about to find out.
He's gonna do it!
Is he done? He forces his way free.
Man, he just has so much resolve.
Uh-oh. No way! Good God!
Inverted Frankensteiner!
Body on body.
Wow.
Oh my God! Flipping pile driver. Spiked.
Drop kick.
Beautiful. The challenger not looking good right now. He can't be happy with how this is going right now.
Oh, man, his chances are dwindling quickly. He's just taken on so much punishment.
You know, I thought this match was going to be much more tightly contested. Face buster. This just might be enough for him to take the victory here.
Ooh, what impact. Showing some quickness there.
Pile driver.
The challenger in some big trouble here. We may be looking at the beginning of the end here for the challenger.
There's no way he knows where he is right now. Heck, given the punishment he's taken, he probably doesn't even know his own name.
Is he done?
Whoa, he works his way out.
A bit of a Houdini job right there.
Boom, what impact. Submission time.
Looks like he's starting to lose it here.
And he breaks the hold.
But look at him, still trying to catch his breath.
Harsh impact. One more time. Set him up one more time.
Setting up for it.
Perch in the corner.
Spear! That's what he was looking for, Michael. Oh, man, Baron Corbin is in trouble now.
Oh, man. This might be it.
Oh, my.
What does Buzz have in store? We're about to find out.
Nailed it. Now, that's how you successfully defend your title.
He knows he's in trouble. Got the leg hooked. The old Benjamin driver.
Good night. This might be the end of Corbin.
Buzz with the W.
Wow, congratulations, Buzz.
Let's take another look at these guys getting after it.
Look at him go. And here's a last look at this one.
Buzz has done it, successfully defending his U.S. title in an open challenge match.
Yeah, but the cracks in his armor are already starting to show. It's only a matter of time before it shatters completely.
Does armor shatter?
It's a metaphor, Saxton. Don't hurt your brain.
The return of the U.S. title open challenge last week, and Buzz is already in the ring, ready for his next opponent.
Wow, these two have a little bit of history.
Revenge fueled Buzz in his invasion of NXT. Will it fuel Gargano to victory tonight?